The former Arvin High School teacher accused of having sex with a minor accepted a plea deal in his case on Tuesday. I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter. Michael Parra pleaded no contest to multiple charges while others were dismissed.
So, Mr. Parra, did you hear all of the terms that I just outlaid on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is that what you wanted to do today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Almost 2 years after being arrested for allegedly having sex with one of his students at Arvin High School, Michael Parra pleaded no contest to 2 counts of having inappropriate sex with a minor.
Counsel, it's my understanding that Mr. Parra is prepared to enter a plea of guilty or no contest to counts 4 and 5.
The remaining 5 counts were dismissed. The agreement requires Parra to serve 180 days in a Kern County jail, register as a sex offender, and have a restraining order to keep him away from the victim.
While these charges could have been run consecutively, and these charges technically are what we call prison eligible, under all of these factors, it wouldn't have been an equitable outcome or a fair outcome for Mr. Parra to serve a prison sentence.
Thompson says some of those factors include the victim being close to legal age, making inconsistent statements, and consenting to the relationship.
These charges don't have any elements of like coercion or force or abuse of power or anything like that. It's very simply what we call strict liability. That an act was done and the person was under the age of 18.
The plea deal comes after Parra's former student or victim wrote this letter to the district attorney stating that she would not be willing to testify. She says in part, "I will suffer for a lifetime if I have to go to court to testify against and convict this man who I wholly believe would not have done these actions unless I asked him and gave him permission to do so." End quote.
Ultimately, my client wanted to resolve it. He really didn't want to put anyone through the ordeal of a trial, including the complaining witness in this case.
23 ABC reached out to the DA for an interview, but they preferred not to comment. Parra's sentencing is scheduled for Thursday, October 16th. For 23 ABC, I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter.